Here are the Edishine hardwired lights that we're going to be installing these outside to show you how to do it. This is what the back looks like. There are the wires in there. These are kind of heavy. They're pretty substantial. What we're going to do is we're going to take this bracket off. I already took off. There's 4 screws on there. I'm going to take off this last screw here, and you're going to obviously save these. You're going to take this off, and we're going to use that to install the light. And then this piece is going to come out. All right, so you're going to take that bracket we just took off, and you're going to put it, the wires through the middle, and then take a pen or marker, and you're going to mark where you're going to put the dot where the screw will rest at the bottom there. All right, so you're going to take those holes that you drilled. We're going to hook the bracket on here. We're going to get the wires through the middle, and then you should be able to line them up at the top there and the bottom. Push it up. So now we're going to connect the wires here. We're gonna put this on the bracket, and you'll see we're gonna put the screws in. All right, and here is the light. Once you get the screws on the side and here on both sides, you've got it mounted and it looks good. And if you have the space, you get 2 lights with this package and you can put both up.